Well, I'll try again. This is Ruffden here. This is a little short message to yeah, to AG Knight, also known as the visual stenographer in Canada. Here, hello. I sent the 2 tins that you wanted, plus something extra. I want you to try the tobacco that is always being used at this Danish Championship of long time pipe smoking. I don't like it, but you might like it. So, and I don't think you've seen it before, so tell me what you think about it. I'm sorry, but yeah, you had to, when I sent you, had to describe what's in the box, so we had to write what it was, so maybe you have to pay something extra. I'm sorry, but I think the main thing is that you get the tins. So I'm sorry again, but hope you like it. So till next time,